Cajun smoked fried turkey. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're gonna be rubbing our Creole mustard on the whole bird, about 14 pounds. Then adding in a half cup of our herb butter from Tony Chachere's. Then adding in a half cup of blackening seasoning, and we're gonna rub this all over, including inside the bird. Next, we're gonna be injecting this with our Tony Chachere's Cajun butter over the thighs, breasts, wings, and very well. Place onto a roasting pan just like so, adding in more blackening seasoning and Creole or butter as needed. Stuff the bird with thyme, rosemary, and lemons just like so. Then smoking this at 275 degrees till it reaches 120 degrees using mesquite chips. If you don't have an air fryer, then smoke it till it reaches 165. Here we have an industrial sized air fryer from Butterball. We're going to be air frying this high until it reaches 165. Always let the turkey rest for 20 minutes, and there you have it. Look at how amazing this looks. Nice and crispy, and also a wonderful smoke flavor. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. Have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye.